bêl gan Rob Hughes. Wild, dim cam sefyll. Bêl yn gwmpo garedig I Wild. Wild! Oedd hi ar y llinell. O, oedd hi wir gan Llanelli. Gwych gan dda'r amddiffynwr James Parry. Wilson, hir yn chwilio am gyflymdra Bacare. Yn tynnu Inja mas o'i safle fel ar amddiffynwr canol. Bacare. Cyflymdra at y postyn pella. Wild! A Wild sy'n sgorio. Michael Bacare ar croesiad peryglus at y postyn pella. A Michael Wild yn codi'n uwch na neb I benio I gol gynta o'r tymor. Llanelli dim, Cei Connah 1. Wild. Bêl dros ysgwydd, tuag at Wignall. Wignall, mewn i'r cwrt Cosby, yn erbyn Parry, yn twyllo Parry yn croesi. Bacare! Ac mae'n ddwy. Mae mor rhwydd â hynny, y bêl hir o'r cefn yn y lle cynta. Wignall yn curo'r amddiffynwr, yn croesi'n berffaith. A neb yn agos at Michael Bacare. Yn fyr gan Marsh, yn gadael Thomas yn nunlle. A Bacare sy'n croesi unwaith eto at y postyn pella. Wignall sy'n disgwyl amdani. Y bêl yn sydyn iawn ac mae'n gyfle am dair ac mae yn dair a Declan Poole oedd ar ergyd yn gwyro yn greulon heibio I Oliver Davies yn y gôl. Wolf tuag at Wignall. Chwarae mantais da gan Mark Petch. Wilson sy'n croesi ac yna'r ergyd yn gwyro am yr eildro gan Wignall. Heibio I Davies yn y gôl ac mae dair yn troi'n bedair yn syth. Cyfle am gic gornel byr arall a mae'n cael ei chymryd. Wolf ar ei drod chwith ac yna'r peniad lawr ac mae mewn. Ac ife Michael Parker sydd I sgorio yn y fan ar lle cyn chwaraewr prestatyn yn ychwanegu'r bumed. Owen at Bacare. Lan at Wignall. Wignall mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Tackle dda gan Thomas. Ond mae'r croesiad at Bacare ac mae'n 6. Wignall eto'n croesi'n berffaith a Bacare yn neidio'n uchel I ffenio I lawr. Dim gobeith I Davies yn y gôl. Unwaith eto yn fyr gan Cei Connah. Bacare at Wilson! Ac mae yn seithfed. Lawrence Wilson ar y chwiban ola. Hunllef llwyr I Llanelli. Maen nhw'n colli gartre o 7 gol I ddim. Y dechreuad gorau posibl I dîm Andy Morrison.
It's a tough opening game for them. You know, we beat Prestatyn 4-0 in the first game when they came up. Like, and we're a tough team to play early on. So they'll have much better days than today.
At times today, it felt as if it was men against boys, quite literally.
I just think, I think with the European football, we're probably a month ahead of them. And that might have showed, but listen, they'll be fine. They've got some good players there, and they've got quality throughout the team. So, like I say, they're probably a month behind us, and at times today maybe that showed.
We knew we were up against it. They're arguably the best team in the league behind TNS, and it showed out there. I think the gulf between the Welsh League and the Welsh Prem, is huge, and again that showed out there. And it's our first one. We put it down to like a freebie that we can kind of feel our way into the league. So the standard's been set out there, and obviously we got to go away, we got to analyse it, and we got to put things right.
You've made steady improvements at Connah's Quay since your arrival in 2015. You must be looking this year to lift the championship.
Thanks for that. Listen, we're if we close the gap to TNS from last year, as we did the year before, then we're going in the right direction. But it's a good start, and listen, they're the benchmark. They're still way ahead of the rest of us.
You've kept your players in the change rooms for a while there. What have you said to them?
Just kind of a few home truths, really. Obviously, I don't want to say too much. Just what happens in there stays in there, really. But Yeah, like I said, it's just a reality check. It's a reality check for them as players mostly. But you know, like I said, something we look to put right.
And it doesn't get any easier because you travel to another European team next Saturday, Kevin Druids. How will you prepare for that one?
Yeah, we'll dust ourselves down. We'll get into training and you know, we'll prepare from Tuesday on that game. But like you said, you know, there's no easy games in this league. And we just gotta pick ourselves up. We know we can be better than that. We know we've got you know, good players in our dressing room, and it's just getting it right in the day now.